You know that sinking feeling you get when you spot a leak in your basement? A wet basement is a common headache for homeowners. But don't worry, we're here to break down some common culprits behind those leaks. Basements are often prone to leak due to a perfect storm of factors. Over time, the damp proofing applied during your home's construction can break down, and those footing drains can get clogged with dirt and debris, causing the water to come into your basement. In this case, the moisture usually comes in through the cope joint. Another common source of leaks is something we call the clay bowl effect. After your home's foundation is built, loose soil is used to fill the excavation site. That backfilled soil around your foundation can trap water, kind of like a pool, creating powerful hydrostatic pressure that pushes against your basement walls and leads to cracks and leaks. And although the exterior drainage might be able to hold the water off, after a few years it gets clogged and you get the point. Block walls might seem solid, but they're actually filled with tiny pores that allow water to seep through. You would be surprised to see how much water can be inside a block wall. All that is trying to get into your home, and if you don't address it, it will. You can easily identify the blocks filling with the moisture when its colors start to change. Dealing with basement leaks might seem daunting, but some of the most effective solutions don't include digging up the entire side of your home, especially when exterior waterproofing was already in the home and it already failed. So that's why at Groundworks, we recommend our interior waterproofing system. This system is based on capturing and redirecting the water. Let's walk through it. To capture the moisture coming from your walls, we install a wall seal, which creates a barrier that prevents moisture from passing through and redirects the water to the cope joint. To capture the water coming from the cope joint, we install an interior drainage system that channels the water towards the sump pump. The sump pump pushes the water 10 to 15 feet from the home through our exterior drainage system. For added peace of mind, you can always install a battery-powered backup pump, just in case the power goes out. After we've successfully rechanneled the water, we install a dehumidifier to help control any moisture levels in the air, preventing that damp, musty smell and discouraging mold growth. Don't let a leaky basement dampen your day.
Wow.
You can enjoy a dry, comfortable, and worry-free basement for years to come. Give Groundworks a call for professional basement waterproofing today.